Good morning, students. Are you all ready for today's video? Okay, then we'll continue our chapter number 1 with the exercise. So, first question is write true and false for each statement. Okay, students. First, the molecules of each substance are identical. Students, mark it as false. This is false statement. False. Second, the intermolecular force are effective at all the distances between two molecules. This is also false. Next, the molecules in a substance are in random motion. Students, this answer is true. Then fourth question. In a gas, the molecules can move anywhere in space. Answer is true. Sorry students, one I think left. C part. The molecules in a substance are in random motion. This is true. D part. In a gas, the molecules can move anywhere in space. This is also true. E part. Liquids are less viscous than the gases. Students, this is false statement. So, first is false, second is false, third is true, fourth is also true, and fifth again false. Now students, your second question is fill in the blanks. All the molecules of a substance are, right there, identical, IDENTICAL, identical. Second question, the intermolecular spacing is dash in solids. Right there, least, LEAST. Where you will write? You will write here, least. In solids, right there, more. Right there, more. In liquids and dash in gases. Right there, still more. STILL, still more. MORE, more. Still more. Again, I will tell you the second. The intermolecular spacing is least in solids, more in liquids, and still more in gases. The molecular motion in liquid and gas is in dash path. Students, write there zigzag. ZIG. Right there. ZIG. ZAG. Zigzag. Zigzag. In solids, the molecules dash, but they remain at their fixed position. Students, write there vibrate, VIBRATE, vibrate on either side. Vibrate on either side. E part, the intermolecular forces are the weakest in dash. Right there, gases. GASES, gases. A solid exerts pressure dash. Right there, downward on its base. Downwards on its base. BASE, base. Then write gases are dash dense, least, LEAST, least. Then next, solids are dash rigid, most, most, most. Then next, write, select the correct alternatives. The diameter of a molecule is approximately 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Here you have to click, students. The intermolecular forces are strongest in solid, liquid, gas, or both first and second. What will be the answer then? Solids. What is the answer of this question? Answer is solid. Okay. Now next, the molecules. Next, write, students, the molecules in solid, liquid and gas move freely anywhere. Second, in a solid, move freely within its boundary. Third point, in a liquid, move within its boundary. Fourth, in a gas, move only within its boundary. What is the correct answer? Students, correct answer is, in a liquid, move within its boundary. In a liquid, move within its boundary. Next question. Solids are dash, more dense. What is the answer? More dense. Then the intermolecular forces in liquids are what? Third option you click. Click on the third option, weaker than in solids. Weaker than in solids. Now students, we will continue our match the following. I'll show you. These are the matchups. Okay. Column A and column B is already given here. First, a molecule is composed of what? Right there. This one, A point, atoms. Ice, water and water vapor, what? Are three states of water. An atom does not exist free in nature. Gases, students, gases occupy space. Students, gases occupy space. This is D point. The molecules of a solid can vibrate only up to 100 can vibrate only up to about 10 raised to power minus 10 meter from their mean position. Okay students, for today up till here we will continue our question answers in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home and wash your hands thoroughly with water and soap. Thank you.